our project?
Totally, let's knock this thing out.
I don't even know where to begin with writing this speech.
I know, me either. I feel like I need help from like a distinguished professional.
Yeah, me too. I don't know where we're gonna find one of those though.
Oh, I do, on LinkedIn Learning.
What's that?
It's this online learning platform. They have videos made by industry experts on a bunch of different topics, like how to analyze data on Python or how to explore composition with photography. See, they even have one for writing speeches. This will help us with our assignment.
Oh, that's amazing. I could totally use some of these videos with one of my other classes, but I don't think I can afford such a fancy platform like that right now.
Oh, but you don't even have to. It's completely free for all UGA students, faculty, and staff. Just log in with your email.
Awesome.